birthday, and he is now surprised that we make a birthday party for him.
Go on, take your cake.
Go, cut your cake.
This is my man, I got problem.
Why?
It's you. He just texted me that he's coming to pick me today. I never knew.
You never knew?
Yeah, but your
Everybody
sister.
You cut the cake. After that, I'll show you something in my country. What happened? When is your birthday?
But your sister talked that you have birthday. It's doch true, oder?
Yeah. Wow.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire.
1, 2, 3, go! Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the surprise.
No, we thank God for your life. And then we thank God that we came in contact with you.
Thank you.
Then we bless God for your stage journey. And we hope that our good Lord will bless you, give you long life and prosperity so that we can continue to enjoy together.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it for the surprise birthday party. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Enjoy yourself.
Hey.
Genau.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tell me.
Happy birthday to you. Dance. Happy birthday to you. That's your birthday, huh?
Perché nel mio compleanno le cose tu settimana fa, perché non sapevo loro quando mi conoscevano. Perché lui mi ha chiamato e ha detto tu devi venire qui e non sapevo che il mio compleanno è passato una settimana fa. Monica, is this your class?
Huh?
Is this your class?
This is. Nee. It's.
Happy birthday
Uh,
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Is yours?
yeah, this is mine. Then it's yours.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Let's see.
Come on with the selfie,
Two old men dancing. Let's see who old.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anche un po' inglese, sì.